Hey coding owls, welcome back to the channel. This video we will be focusing on practical series 4. It's just one simple program. Write a Java class for following methods. One is with display, which display the number from 1 to 100 using while loop in Java, and another is Fibonacci series. So let's go and pick up this logics. Fibonacci series we have already covered in practical 1 series, so the logic you can check it up from there. I'll create a new folder. But outside, not here. So let us call it as practical 4. And in practical 4 I write a file, java methods or methods runner. Okay, and dot java. So here they have asked me to write two functions. One is display, so I will simply just write public void display, and they said please run the loop from 1 to 100 using while loop though. So here again I will say while first start the number, so I'll say int I is equal to 0 while I is less than equal to, or while I is less than 100, system.out.println value, or let us start from 1 and go till 100. No logics are involved here anyhow. So I'll say value colon I, and then I say I plus plus, and the logic is when the value of I goes beyond 100 it will break. So how do we access this? I will have to write a main method obviously. Inside this main method I'll say methods runner, m is equal to new methods runner, and then I say m dot display. So I will switch to practical 4 now, and I'll say java c methods runner dot java and java space methods runner, and it is printing the value, but I have to call it obviously. Now the second logic we want to do is print the Fibonacci series. So for that, what I'll ask you is public void Fibonacci, and I want to print from 1 to 100. And as you know, in practical 1 we have already done that. Why not reuse the code? So I will simply pick up this code from here and bring it in my practical 4. If you have missed on practical 1 series, I have added the practical 1 series in the link in the description. Also, you must be able to see it on the screen right now, and I paste it here. So this will be my Fibonacci series from 1 till 100. Okay, why is this? Okay, this was while loop, and then in under my Fibonacci series I write the function, and then I simply just call it. I'll say m dot Fibonacci, see if it works fine. Okay, so it's printing till 1 till 100, and before that it should have the Fibonacci series till here. Okay, so this was your practical 4, quite a simple one. Yeah, you can agree. This code is available on the link in the description. Check that out. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, we'll come up with series 5 very quick.